on this particular site that we have an abattoir, a boning hall and a retail pack. We have totally control of this product from kill to pack. That enables us to maintain quality control, temperature control throughout our business. The process is that it's deboned in the boning hall. VLs VL meaning visual lean or chemical lean trimmings will go through Meat Master, goes into a maturation stock. We then pull it out into retail or our burger room. We then process the product. We'll take a batch from that possibly 800 kilos. We'll take 4 readings, and we do that every hour. And that's in the meat retail on minced products. Same with the burger room. We take hourly checks, probably 4 or 5 readings. That's obviously supported by Meat Master in the beginning, and then we only release on these products and obviously on the readings from food scan and meat spec. If there's any failures there, then we have to reblend. But because we're measuring it with Meat Master, the generally is that we're on cue. And the other supporting role is the guys that are doing it. Both of them have been here 20 years, so they've got a good eye for the product, which is very much key to it.
Anything basically that comes out of the blender got to go through the FOSS analyzer, the food scan, pass the VL check before it goes out. If the product is a bit leaner, it affects the taste as well, especially in burgers and all that. You know, so you've got to hit set target so you can get the right balance of the taste that you want from the burger. And then if the results are too high, you're sort of breaching legal, implications, because you've declared that the product has got to be 10% or 20% fat, but then the levels are too high. So there are 2 things we're looking at there. So customer quality, and then meeting the legal declarations. To just visually, assess the product is, I can tell you, it's not easy to do. You can't, physically can't do that. You know what I mean? You can guess, but it's not always right. If you're guessing it, you're always going to get it wrong. So with those machineries, you're able to hit whatever you're declaring. So we're able to achieve that. And mind you, this is all the machineries that customers use as well. They use similar machineries. So whatever results you're getting is at par with whatever they're also getting. So you're meeting the legal levels, you're meeting the quality levels. So without that, we can't achieve that really. So this machine is like God to us really.
If we're going for 20%, we'll be at 19.8, 19.7. The other beauty is we can measure it through there, because say you were putting 40 trays for a Meat Master, you can actually do your own recipe in order to calculate the fact that you want to go for a product which is 20%, and you can get near on damn it, 19.8, 90.9. Without those instruments, you could be going out to the consumer too lean or too fat. Too lean, obviously, the quality issue. Too fat's a quality issue. So you've got to have apparatus to measure this. I've known FOSS for many years now through the industry and also previous employment before I come to Dovecote. Their support is second to none. Obviously get on well with the sales and service support. Their machinery is undoubtedly one of the best. Otherwise we wouldn't be with them, associated with them. As far as Meat Scan, Meat Master, Food Scan, personally the Meat Master is a support for the boning hall, and also has a double, because we can manage the butchers who are trimming, and if the trimming's not up to standard as it goes through Meat Master, we can explain to the butchers that they need to lean the product. If you get the product right, then the quality will go out correctly to our customers. We also do burgers and meatballs, and same there. You have quality, the bite needs to be good. So if you get your specification right on the VLs, etc., and chemical leans, then your bite will be perfect, and you'll get the quality for a customer. So it's a must to have those instruments within your business.